Hello everyone, this is Christy. Look what I got, a new machine from HTVRONT, and this one is the manual hat heat press. And I'm going to open the box with you. Here it has a manual, instructions, and now I'm going to put this one upside down so I can get the machine. And you have to be careful with all the parts that you get. See? And here is the other side. Wow, I love the color. It is all metal. I'm going to attach this at the bottom, and then I'm going to read the manual so I can tell you more about this machine. As you can see, I added the suction cups at the bottom, and that it's going to help you for stability. And the machine comes with two platens, one that is big and it's right here. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, you have to pull this one up. This one comes ready to use, and right here is very wide, and this one is for smaller hats, like for kids hats. So it comes for big hats and for kid size hats. See right here, this one is the pressure knob, and we can fix that one. And you have to manipulate right here the knob to see how much pressure you want on your item, and then you have to push this one down until you hear that it closes very well. When you have the hat, okay, the hat has this part up here, and if you iron on something in there, it's going to leave that mark. So we have to open this one to the front. Okay, we have to open, and we have to put the hat, and we are going to pass all over this side, and we are going to place it up here by the edge. Okay, so we have to put it very close, and then we are going to hold the hat, and we are going to stretch. And now when we pull this handle up, you will see that it's going to stretch the hat. As you can see right here, the hat is stretched, and you can add your vinyl or any material that you're going to iron on. And for removing the hat, you just need to put this one down and remove the hat this way. Here is the power button, and we are going to turn that on. And then right here it says temperature and time, and right here in the center says set. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is press this button, the second one. I'm going to put it closer, and this is the second button right here, and you're going to press once, and you're going to set the temperature. And I can increase this one, for example, to 250, and I will just press this one, and it's blinking for temperature, and I can increase, and it's going to increase by 1. Let's leave it in 245, and I can decrease the seconds right here, the time. And if you want to decrease or increase the seconds right here for the time, you press right here in this button, and it's programmed for the temperature. Now it's showing for that time, so I can decrease maybe for 15 seconds. See, and then press set, and that's the desired temperature that I chose. Then this one, this button right here, is for starting. And in the menu comes this guide up here that shares with you the material that you're going to iron on, and the material of the garments. For example, it works with cotton, polycotton, polyester, etc. But Right here says the temperature and the time. See? And that's very helpful. Now I'm going to make 3 samples and I will show you step by step how I heat press the vinyl on these hats. This hat is 100% cotton. You have to clean with a lint roller and then we are going to preheat the hat. And I will preheat it for 15 seconds. And when it's ready, you are going to apply the design. And I'm using a foil vinyl from HTVRONT. And I'm going to use heat tape to secure so it doesn't move and a Teflon sheet on top. Then I'm going to press again. The temperature is 290 for 15 seconds. When it's done, I'm going to remove the hat and I'm going to let it cool on that side and I will start with another hat. So this hat is cotton as well, but I'm going to use gold foil iron-on vinyl from HTVRONT and I will do the same steps as in the black one. And when you close this machine, automatically starts heat pressing your item. And that's very nice if you had to heat press a lot of these items. Now I'm going to press 100% polyester hat. And it's the first time. I don't know how it's going to work with this one, but I will try to protect a little bit more. For example, adding the Teflon sheet for preheating. And let's see how is it going to be at the end. I'm going to use chameleon iron-on vinyl from HTVRONT and I'm going to attach with a heat tape and then I'm going to heat press for 30 seconds. And I do that because the chameleon vinyl is a little bit stronger. And I will let it cool before taking the backing. Now they are cool and I'm going to take the backing of each of the hats and look. They look amazing. I love it. The machine press the vinyl very well. And look, I love it. See? Very nice. And you can wrap it on top and it's not going to move. Then right here, this one is the 100% polyester hat and it attached very well. Look, and I use for this one the chameleon vinyl from HTVRONT and that result is amazing. I highly recommend this machine for anyone who wants to start a small business. You can make hats in a very few minutes. Look, you just have to find the design, cut the vinyl, and then you have very nice hats for many occasions. See? You can make a lot of them for selling if you want to make, for example, for showers, wedding showers, baby showers, for groups, like for example, from your church, for trips, for camping trips. You can personalize them even with logos of companies or for advertisement. And this machine is so easy to work with. I'm very impressed by how fast I did all this one and also that I can change the pressure and the handle for stretching and it's very stable. I will put that information in the description box. Right now it's for pre-sale and you get it at the lowest price. And please give us ideas in the comments writing what kind of design would you like to have in a hat. What would you put in here? And it's going to be very helpful to have more ideas for making hats. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.